Today, I am taking on the challenge of planting some purple broccoli and some crookneck squash in October. Today is October 1st. I've always been fascinated by growing unique and different vegetables. Purple broccoli is about as unique as you can get. Come along with me, and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Hello, YouTube. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's been a little bit since you actually seen a video from me. Let's dwell into that mystery first before we start the video. On September 26th, my channel was hijacked by an unknown person who then in turn uploaded a inappropriate video. That caused YouTube to take my channel down. And I could not do anything about it other than appeal. The first appeal was denied. The second appeal, they found that my channel had been hijacked and agreed to remove the offending video and asked for me to check all my security measures and stuff like that, which I have done. And at the time of this filming, my channel is now back up and all my previous videos, both long and short, are returning. Now, I say this to you for this reason. Make sure that your passwords for all your content or the items that you use to make your videos, make sure that your passwords are being changed frequently. And if you get any type of emails that want you to try out a product or anything like that, and it has a contract, and the contract is encrypted, and it asks you to download a particular app to unencrypt it, don't do it. I believe that's what caused my issue, and lesson learned, and I'm passing it on to my friends and family out in YouTube land. So these are 3 squash, crookneck squash that I started and from seed, and they have come up relatively well. We planted them in a mixture of homemade soil that you saw me make in a previous video. Now, we're going to go to the purple broccoli that we have here. We have 7 bags of purple broccoli. These were also started from seed, and they go down the row there. Now, I planted them the same day that I did the squash plants, and hopefully they will take and start growing and doing well. They look like they're going to do well. They have more than enough room in the grow bags, and they should be fine. I planted 3 others in a couple raised beds that I have, and we'll go look at those momentarily. Now, if you remember, we did a video in which we planted 3 squash plants in these 5-gallon buckets that you're looking at. And the runt of the litter looks like it's starting to do better. But the other 2 are doing well, and they are reaching the point where I may have to use a clip on them on the stake. But they're doing good and growing well. The only thing that I have to remember to do is to water them on a routine basis. But other than that, they're doing great. So in this raised bed, I planted 2 of the purple broccoli as well. And my assumption is that my okra will eventually be removed from this bed, and I'll have more than enough room to plant other brassicas in it. This bed and also the one behind it. But for now, we put the two purple broccoli in, and they're doing good. Looks as if my first ever papaya is on the way, and I'm sure it will get here before my frost date. I can't tell you how happy I am to see this, and considering that this plant literally split in half last year, and I thought it was dead, but it is continuing to grow. It just goes to show you that if God has a plan, man cannot do anything about it. I want to thank you all for coming along with me. This was not how I wanted to do my uh, squash video, squash and zucchini video when I planned it. Now, obviously, situations out of my control occurred, but I am so happy to be able to actually make a video and for you all to watch it. I want to give shout outs to those of you that reached out to me to see if everything was okay, since you hadn't been seeing videos on the regular schedule that they're on. You Grow Row, Cheryl Glenn, and Lisa. I, I want to thank you all. Farming on the Rocks. Too many to name, but I want to thank you all for reaching out and checking on to see if everything was okay. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it. Will I be successful in growing purple broccoli? And the broccoli will probably be okay, but we're cutting it close with the squash. But I think I should be able to get a harvest, keeping my fingers crossed. As I said before, I don't get my first frost date until sometime in mid-December. So hopefully that will continue to be true. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but one thing I cannot grow is this channel. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to put God first, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.